Hello, my name is Kelly Brotman, and I will be delivering this public service announcement regarding Leishmania in Costa Rica. So, to start, what is Leishmania? Leishmania, also known as Leishmaniasis, is a microscopic parasite. This is caused by the bite of a sandfly. Usually, these infections result in ulcers and sores, which is referred to as cutaneous leishmaniasis, but sometimes it can get into your spleen, liver, and bone marrow. And as indicated in the illustration, the site of where this gentleman was bitten, you can see the microscopic parasites are illustrated in green, and they have these little tails called flagella, which allows them to move around. So the site of the sore and ulcer can actually become enlarged. There's about 1,500 cases annually in Costa Rica, so this is no rare disease. So, the most important part is how you can prevent yourself from becoming infected. The way you do this is you protect yourself from getting a sandfly bite. Ideally, you would be wearing long clothing, so long sleeves and long pants and socks, and cover as much of your skin as possible. However, it's not possible to cover every inch every minute, so you should also try to use a DEET-based insect repellent that will help cover any exposed skin from being bitten. And protective netting over beds is actually very effective, especially while you're sleeping. The most effective kind of bed netting has been chemically treated with insecticides. So not only does this prevent you from getting a bite, but it will kill the sandfly so that it can no longer go on to bite and infect others. And another important point is not just how you can protect yourself, but how your community is involved. Many different steps can be taken to break the life cycle of the Leishmania parasite and reduce the disease in the community. So, one step is because dogs are a host animal, all the local vets will be able to provide an insecticide treated collar for either free or reduced price. And because sandflies can breed in cracks in walls, your local town office will be able to provide a home inspector to walk around your property and identify problem spots, so any cracks that could be sealed with cement. And also, you can call your local environmental service organization to request insecticide spraying. So, even though these are steps that you individually would take, overall, your entire community will benefit from the reduction in the sandfly population. And also, this is all information that you can get from your local town government offices. And for more information, you can visit any of these websites. Thank you.